Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Burle and this is the task 5 given to me for the Data and Business Analytics internship which is provided by the Spark Foundation. Here, I will be explaining about the exploratory data analysis on the dataset. The sports, which is the main India Premier League dataset. So, the main highlight of this ADA is to perform the idea on the ideal dataset. And also, as a sport analysis, they will be able to find the successful team player and other facts which are contributing to the win or loss of the team, and also to suggest the team or the player a company should be endorsing for its product. So here I am importing all the libraries which are required, such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, and everything. And next I will be reading my data set which is provided. There are two data sets. One is the matches and one more is the deliveries. So here it is the matches which has been read, and here once we give the head function we get top 5 rows of the data set given, and here as the same way we do the same thing for the deliveries as well, and then we calculate or we find the columns value, and we drop out the columns which are not required. And then coming to the things, here we have found the number of matches played in each season, or the winner, especially here 2008. It is like Rajasthan Royals with 13, and so on it goes. And next we are plotting a bar graph for the number of matches played in IPL in each season. So it is 2013 being is highest. And next coming to the number of matches won by the team. So Mumbai Indians have won the highest number of matches, like more than 100 according to the bar graph. And now here we are coming to the match result which is based on either bowling or batting. First this is pie chart. First, this pie chart gives us the complete information of the 55.4% of bowling. First, the win is higher, but by batting first, the win percentile is only 44.6%, and then the number of matches won by batting or bowling first. As we can observe, even by batting first, they have won. But compared to the bowling first team has won the highest number of matches. And then now we will be plotting a pie chart on the toss decision. If they have choose to fail first, the win is 61.2%, and the win of choosing the bat first according to the toss is 38.8%. Then next we will be plotting a bar graph of number of matches won by the toss result, and we can observe that whoever choose to field first have won most of the number of the matches. Now here we will be printing the winner of each season from 2008 till 2019. The winners are printed, and then we will be plotting a pie chart on the winning percentage in the finals. So according to the feeling, it is 66.7% and 33.3% for batting, and then this is the toss result, and we will be printing the name of the player, the top player of the match winner. So this is the bar graph for that one, and here we will print the IPL final venues along with the winners and the number of wins. So here it's Bangalore. In Bangalore, it's Kolkata Knight Riders is when one, Sunrise is one, and so on it goes. And here we will also be printing the number of season one by each of the teams. So here we can observe each team wins, and then he will print the toss winner, toss decision and winner in the final matches. As we can see here, and then we will paint the man of the match. Here, by taking the final matches receipt index and then totally here, we will be printing the force hit by the team number of force. And this graph is for the force hit by the players. And then force hit in each season. Then coming to the sixes, number of sixes hit by the players, where goal being the highest, and number of forces hit in each season, where 2012 is the highest. And next, we will be observing the leading run scorer of the match, and then a number of matches played by the batsmen and dismissals in IPL. This bar graph shows like types of dismissals as the each goes has the highest followed by the bold and run out and so on. Then we will be taking here the wickets taking bowlers Malinga being the highest, and I think that it for the task. Thank you.